This is one of my new books. It's very simple. I want the kids in high school and college not to make the same stupid mistake we did. We all follow stupid. Starting out right. This is a free download. It's free. I want to start their credit file for them. I want to give them their first credit card. Okay? I don't want them to guess like you and I've had to guess. The difference is I knew a lot of the answers because I got to train Ken Yarborough at TOW and Experian. So again, what happens is you watch social media, you need a Capital One secure card. All these, sorry, I call them idiots in the back of my mind. This is called stupid. Capital One gives an inquiry, so you just brought the score down versus up. If you allow me on my dashboard, I give you your first card. If you don't want me to do it, it's opensky.com. It's Capital Bank. See, I want to give you all the answers to your questions. You see, the reason I'm online 6 days a week, all right, I don't want people to not like me, number one, which is really a big problem I have. I'm trying to make people happy. My wife says I'm a pleaser. I want to make sure if I write something, tell you what to do, I'm online and I'm accessible for you. So then you don't have any BS, okay? No excuse why you couldn't get a hold of me. I'm online 6 days a week or in person. I'll get rid of the crap, okay? But also, every program I ever did, I give you 10 times your money back anyway. You invest $500, you're getting what, 5,000. You invest 1,000, you get 10,000. I want to take away the BS excuses most people have. Half of you are friggin' lazy. Half of you are lazy, period. That's what it is. You want to find a magic wand. I want a free ride. Bing, bing, bing. Are you kidding me? Get off your asses and earn it. So again, that's just my opinion. That's a download. What do we do?